Let's begin basic skills review number 3, multiplying and dividing integers. Multiplying integers with the same signs is simple. When you multiply two positives, you get a positive. When you multiply two negatives, you also get a positive. Do not confuse this with the rule for addition. When you add two negatives, a negative plus a negative equal a negative. When you multiply two negatives, a negative times a negative equals a positive. Be careful not to confuse the two. So if I multiply positive 3 times positive 4, I get positive 12. This is just another way of showing multiplication with the parentheses rather than the dot. 3 times 4 is 12. Negative 3 times negative 4 is also positive 12. Multiplying integers with different signs. A positive times a negative is a negative, and a negative times a positive is a negative. So you don't have to go through all of the different work that you have to with adding integers with different signs. The rule is simple. Anytime you multiply integers with different signs, you get a negative answer, a negative product. Anytime you multiply integers with same signs, you get a positive product. The rules for dividing integers are the same. When you divide integers with same signs, you get a positive quotient. Remember, quotient is the name for the answer to a division problem, the same as product is the name for the answer to a multiplication problem. So a positive divided by a positive equals a negative. Positive divided by a positive equals a positive, and a negative divided by a negative equal a positive. Forgot where I was on there for a minute. Examples: 12 divided by 4 equals 3, and negative 12 divided by negative 4 equals 3. Now we're going where I thought I was. Dividing integers with different signs, you get a negative quotient. Positive divided by a negative equals a negative, and a negative divided by a positive equal a negative. Now remember that we use fraction form to show division. Sometimes you're going to see that division symbol, but generally we use the fraction form. So 12 divided by negative 4 equals negative 3. Negative 12 divided by positive 4 equals negative 3. The great thing about multiplying and dividing is, number one, the rules are the same. So once you learn them from one, you've learned them from both. And secondly, your multiplication facts are the same as you learned in the second and third grade. They don't change. The only thing you have to worry about is the sign. So 5 times 2, both are positive. 5 times 2 is positive 10. Negative 5 times negative 2, both are negative, so you get a positive answer. Multiplying same signs, positive 10. Negative 5 times 0, anytime you multiply by 0, you get 0. Remember, it is not negative 0. There is no negative 0. Number 4, negative 5 times positive 2. We're multiplying different signs, so our answer is negative, negative 10. Number 5, positive 5 times negative 2. Multiplying different signs, negative answer, negative 10. Number 6, negative 5 times 1. Anytime you multiply something by 1, you get itself, so negative 5 times 1 is negative 5. Number 7, now we're dividing. Dividing same signs. If you look up at the top, you're going to have a positive answer or positive quotient. Negative 10 divided by negative 5. First of all, 10 divided by 5 is 2. They're both same signs, so it's positive. 10 divided by 10. I've seen lots of crazy answers for these. Anytime you multiply or divide a number by itself, you get 1. Both are positive, so the answer is positive. Negative 10 divided by positive 5. Dividing different signs, we know our answer will be negative. 10 divided by 5 is 2, so negative 2. Number 10, the same as number 9. We're dividing by different signs. So negative 2. 11. 0 divided by negative 19. Anytime I divide 0 by a number, I get 0. No negative 0, just 0. Number 12. Negative 10 divided by 1. If I divide negative 10 by 1, I get negative 10. So once you have completed this and you're sure that you understand the multiplication and division rules, move on to the homework section for homework number 3. And this should actually say, find the product or quotient use your rules, do not guess. No calculator. As in the other homework assignments, you're going to receive a grade on this, and there will be a quiz over this material. Once you've finished homework 3, and you have done it to my satisfaction, meaning that I feel like you understand the rules for adding and subtracting, multiplying and dividing integers, you will be taking a quiz over homeworks 1, 2, and 3, basic skills 1, 2, and 3. So once you finish, let me know, and we'll get the quiz for you.